Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. I hope all are well. But though my health condition is good, but my mental condition is not good at all. Tomorrow I saw an article, and there I saw that between 2015 or 51, the one-third area of our country will go underwater, and for this my mind or I am not totally happy. And the main reason is climate change, and it is occurring for deforestation. For this, my today's topic is tea plantation. At first, I want to tell you that what is tea plantation, because if you don't know about this, you can't do anything. So friends, tea plantation means planting more and more trees. So friends, now I am going to tell you that the good effects of tea plantation. Tea plantation is really grateful for us because we can live without tea, because we get oxygen from tea, which is essential for our living, and it takes carbon dioxide, which is harmful for our body. Not only that, we also get foods, timber, etc. from teas. So friends, you have to know that a country must have 25% trees of his total area, but it's a matter of so that we have only 70% trees in our country. For this, we have to suffer in future. As Bangladesh is lowland, so we have to suffer much, because climate change, the temperature is increasing, and for this the ice of the Iceland changed into water, and for this the water level of the sea is increasing, and for this we have to suffer in future. So friends, if we want to relieve from this dangerous, you can told that it's disease, we must have to plant more and more trees, because if we plant more trees will take more carbon dioxide, and for this the temperature of the world will not increase. We will be able to control our problem. So friends, not only that, if the one-third area of our country will go underwater, we have to suffer more, because our country is overpopulated, and if it occurs, the population will increase mass in our short area. So friends, we have to solve this problem, because friend, we are not the richest country, so we have to control this problem from now. So friends, if you want to save your next generation, you must have to plant trees more and more. So you can say that, where and when I can plant trees? If you have no place, you can plant trees beside your house, beside roads, or in your school. And when there is no particular time, and I hope April and May are the best time for planting more trees, but you can plant any time. I also want that I am a tree lovers. For this, you can see that behind me there are many kinds of trees, and there are many trees behind me. So friends, to save our next generation, we have to plant trees more and more. And so friends, plant more and more trees to save our environment, not only our environment but also to save the whole world. So friends, next time I will come back with another topic. I hope you will watch my video, and if you like this video, please subscribe the channel and the bell button. So friends, no more today. See you soon. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.